if I were to start my laser business over in 2025 and I wanted to build it all the way back up to $8,000 per month, these are the 3 things that I would do. Okay, so step 1 is you want to have a plan. Without a plan, you don't have a vision. You have nothing to focus on. You're kind of just throwing spaghetti at the wall. You're just hoping something sticks. You have to have a plan and a major goal so that you can focus on that thing. And every little thing that you do in your business is going to contribute to getting the accomplishment of that plan. Step number 2 is you want to have daily habits. You want to create daily habits for you in your business that you're going to do every day that's going to move the needle closer and closer to that goal every day, no matter what. So, example, if you need to cold call 20 schools, say you need to cold call 20 schools every month in order to land one fundraising deal, then you're going to have to make sure that you're making a phone call. And just by the way, 20 calls per month, that is tiny. That's 1 call per day, and that's like taking a week off. So you probably want to have something where like you're cold calling 20 schools per day in order to reach that goal. And then number 3, you want to lean into your strengths. So everything that you're good at doing, you want to lean in on that. You don't want to focus on your weak points. Now, with some things, focusing on your weak points and then making those stronger so that you become a well-rounded person or more diverse. Some cases that may be fine, but in this case, it doesn't matter. In this case, it doesn't matter. You just focus on your strengths, because what we're trying to do is build a business here. We're trying to build it up nice and strong and make some income and start getting some money coming in. So what you want to do is focus on what's making money. You want to focus on your strengths. What are you good at? What are you doing well? Maybe you do marketing really well. Well, just double down on that, lean into it, and then over time, you'll just get sharper and sharper. The 3 things that I love doing the most is Christmas tree ornaments, name signs for babies, like newborn baby name signs, and then door hangers. Those 3 things, I lean into those, and then those 3 things alone gets me $8,000 per month. We have 10 other products, and then we have all types of things. Like we do fundraisers, we sell things to churches and all sorts of things. So what you want to do is lean into your strengths. What is it that you are good at that you can double down on and capitalize off of? That thing that you can do that you're much better than everyone else at doing. That's what you want to do, because that's the thing that's going to differentiate you from the competition. All right, so those are the 3 quick steps to getting to $8,000 per month. You can do it. It's actually pretty easy. I know a lot of people don't like to get on here and say that stuff is easy, but this is pretty easy. You can do it. All you have to do is you buy the machine. So that's probably the hardest part. Maybe you don't have enough money saved up to buy the machine and you have to take a credit card or a loan or a HELOC or borrow some money, or maybe you have to do a partnership where you partner with someone and then you guys both buy the machine. But like literally once you buy the machine, you have a plan and a goal and you have it for a few months, you'll pay this thing off. Or you know what, you do one November and Christmas, or actually you do one Halloween, November, Christmas, and you'll have this thing paid off. So anyways, if you have any questions, comment below. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know all the questions that you have. Let me know how I can help you. Bye.